How do you edit your LinkedIn profile link? In this video, I'm going to show you how. But before I continue, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you get more social media tips like this. Without further ado, let me jump to my phone and let me show you how you can edit your LinkedIn profile link. Let's go. Alright, first of all, open up your LinkedIn app. Tap on your profile photo at the top left, click on it, and then tap on your photo or your profile name again, just to access your profile. Okay, then tap on the three dots icon beside the add section at the right side, just click on it, and then you can see contact info, click on contact info. You can see there's a pen icon at the top right, click on it to edit. Then under your profile URL, click on it, and then you open up a page, a new page. Then you can see you can edit your custom URL. Just if you want to, just click on this, and then you can change it accordingly. Your custom URL must contain 3 to 100 letters or numbers, so no special character and things like that. You can just edit here, and then you click save. So if it is not taken, then you can just take your custom URL. Okay, for me, I like this one. I'm just going to continue keeping this. But this is how you can change it if you want to edit your LinkedIn profile link. So yeah, that's it. If you like what I share, do give me a like and subscribe to this channel so that you can get more social media tips like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you next time. Goodbye.